Hey everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and I've got another trend alert for you today. The Shapeshifting filter on TikTok was just released to the US, so creators have been using it to see who their lookalike is, usually using a grid of Marvel characters or a grid of Harry Potter characters, where the filter will automatically select which of the characters you look most like. So if you want to figure out who you most look like among a group of characters, keep watching. In this video, I'll show you how to get the exact character grids that people have been using on TikTok, how to make a collage of your own or edit that collage, and then how to get the filter and use it and do the trend. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with everything you need to know as a modern creator, and also join our community of creators on Discord. You can talk to me, other people from Team Kapwing, and then other creators. Now let's get into it. Okay, so the first step in doing this trend is to first find your photo. The filter needs a photo to use to match and shapeshift you into one of the characters in that photo. This can be any photo. It can be something that you took from your camera roll, or it could be one of the grids of characters that people have been using for this trend. Some people have had trouble finding the exact character grid that people have been using, so to make it easier, we put them in a template for you to use where you can either download it straight or add things to it, make a different collage out of it too. Those two templates will be linked in the description. We have one for the Marvel Avengers characters, and then we have one for the Harry Potter characters. I'm gonna be using Harry Potter characters because I like Harry Potter more than Marvel. Once you click make it, you can either just save the photo straight away by clicking export image in the corner, and then you'll be able to download this photo exactly as it is, or you can use our editor Kapwing to add things like other images to make your own collage, move the photo around, or even I've seen other creators blacking out certain images because they keep getting the same person and they want to see who else they look like. You can do any of those things in the top bar. I'm gonna do a mashup of the Harry Potter and Marvel characters, so I'm gonna upload the other photo of the Marvel characters. To make edits to the specific photo, you can click the photo and click edit image, and there's a bunch of options here. I'm gonna just crop this one down so that there's more space for the actual characters. And then I'm going to combine the Harry Potter characters and the Marvel characters on one grid. So there we go, we've got the Harry Potter and Marvel characters all on one screen. If you wanted to black one of the characters out or a few, you can click the elements and choose the square shape and then drag it over the characters you want to block out. Once you're ready, click the red export image button, and then you can save your photo just by holding down and clicking add to photos. So basically make sure that whatever photo you want to use with the filter is saved to your camera roll. Then to find the filter, go to TikTok, go to the discover page, and shapeshifting is here right now because it's trending, but you can also just search shapeshifting in the search bar and the filter should come up. The icon is as it's shown here, the face with the green background and the landscape picture in the back too. And then just click the film button at the bottom to actually use the filter. Okay, so as you can see, it's already selected the filter, and this little bar of photos comes up at the top. So you need to choose whichever photo you want to use for the shapeshifting filter. The most recently downloaded photo to your camera roll will be the first one. So that's the one I just made in Kapwing with the collage of characters. Once you click that, it'll show you a preview of what it would look like. So let's do that. 3, 2, 1. And it thinks I am Hawkeye, cool. So out of all the Harry Potter and Marvel characters, I was Hawkeye. So this is just a preview. If you actually want to film your video, you have to click the red button. And it still thinks I'm Hawkeye, okay. So you can do that as many times as you want. You can even, after your first take, you can choose again a different photo to use and then do the same process. I'm gonna go back to Kapwing and block out Hawkeye and see who I get next. So I'm just adding a black rectangle over his picture. Okay, let's try that again. So that's what I mean by blocking out. You literally like block out that one photo. Then if I go back here, let's choose the new photo. Okay, now I'm Black Panther. Interesting. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like there's any way to specifically choose what character you want to turn into. I think the only way you can really influence it is by using that blocking out method where you put boxes over the ones you don't want to turn into. So maybe you could use that as some sort of process of elimination, but otherwise, yeah, luck of the draw. There's a theory that it will take the same exact person in the photo no matter what, moving forward, no matter what position your face is in. That's basically it. Once you have filmed your video, you can click the red check mark. Like normal TikTok, you can add different sounds, text, whatever other edits you want, and then just click next, add in the different details for your video, and then you can post it. Thanks for watching this video. To stay up to date with all the creator news and trends and also editing tips that we have for you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or feedback, just leave them in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.